when this is taken away, after I've finished over there, I'll chop down through there so we can come down at the right angle. And that will be the conduit for our electrical supply for the building. How are you all doing today? It's a bit strange. It's the 1st of September here. Autumn is on its way. The leaves are starting to turn. Anyway, today we are continuing with the barrage at the front. Merlin is over there, finishing off the vapor control layer, the VCL, and then he is going to be drilling holes in the piers, and we're going to be bedding dowels into them, timber dowels, and that's going to allow us to fix the long screws for the through the barrage. Basically, I have got these little tiny wedges. Anyone that played Trivial Pursuit would know that what I was talking about, the little wedges that go into your container on either ends of the roof. There's Charlie. This is his last day before he goes to school, and he's going to be jet washing the front to get it all clean. You can see where he got to on Saturday, so he scraped up everything and it looks pretty good. So he'll be jet washing this bit, and then his mission will be to scrape and jet wash. So yes, a bit of a nettoyage à la face de le bâtiment.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, right. Oh, there's one other thing. Cup of tea. I'm gonna have that and I'm gonna get on with it. Merlin doesn't drink tea, so he's already started. It's going to put us to shame. This is also a pain in the backside. Hold that. There we go. La 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 la, la la la. It's going to seem really silly, but it's these little things, these little bits where you walk past something that isn't quite finished for, well, months at this point, and it's kind of really nice to kind of look at it and go, hey, it's done finally. There we go. Right, one down, and then got the other side to do. It's looking good. You're happy. I'm happy. We've just had our lunch, just come back from lunch, and a gust of wind has sent a bit of rubbish into the race. So I'm going to give this microphone to Charlie. You're going to join Charlie on an adventure in picking rubbish out of the water.
Fishing expedition, everyone.
Don't fall in the river.
Oh, why not? But I want to. Okay, everyone. Got our hook. We got our rods. And I guess let's get fishing. Can you guys see it? That white rectangle? That's what we need to get. I've got a bite.
Look at the size of that, it's a whopper.
That's our dinner for tonight. Right, you can have this back now.
Thanks, Kurt. The most amazing fisherman in the world. Right, back to the boring bit. Come on. Do. Yeah!